Welcome to this 7-day fat-burning meal plan. This plan has been designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals while still enjoying nutritious and delicious meals. Day 1. Grilled chicken breast with roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Grilled chicken breast is a low-fat, lean protein source that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Roasted vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and weight control. Day 2. Baked salmon with steamed vegetables like broccoli or asparagus. Baked salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Steamed vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling and nutritious addition to your meal.
Day 3. Quinoa bowl with grilled tofu and mixed vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, and zucchini. Quinoa is a high-protein and high-fiber whole grain that is filling and nutritious. Grilled tofu is a low-fat and high-protein option, perfect for weight control. Mixed vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and fullness.
Day 4. Lentil soup with a side salad. Lentil soup is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a nutritious and filling option for weight control. A side salad of greens like lettuce, tomato, and cucumber can provide additional fiber and nutrients, promoting overall health and well-being.
Day 5. Grilled turkey breast with roasted sweet potato. Grilled turkey breast is a lean protein source, low in fat and perfect for weight control. Roasted sweet potato is a nutritious and low-calorie option that is high in fiber and essential nutrients, promoting overall health and well-being. Day 6. Chickpea salad with mixed greens like spinach, arugula, and kale. Chickpeas are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them a nutritious and filling option for weight control. Mixed greens are low in calories and high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and fullness. Day 7. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu. This low-calorie and high-fiber meal is made with vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers, and paired with tofu, a low-fat and high-protein option. To make your weight loss journey even easier, we recommend incorporating Herbalife F2 and Herbalife Shake F1 into your diet. These nutritional supplements will help ensure you are getting all the necessary nutrients and elements from your meals, promoting even faster and healthier results.
We have a true success story to share with you. Meet Jane, a 30-year-old office worker who had struggled with her weight for years. She tried countless diets and weight loss programs, but nothing seemed to work. That was until she discovered this 7-day fat-burning meal plan. She was hesitant at first, but after only 1 week of following the plan, she noticed a significant difference in her energy levels and waistline. By the end of the 7 days, she had lost 5 pounds and felt confident and motivated to continue on her weight loss journey.
Remember, a healthy diet combined with regular exercise is the key to successful weight control. Follow this 7-day fat-burning meal plan and watch the pounds melt away. Just like Jane, you too can achieve your weight loss. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.